Welcome back everybody. So guys, we've learned about the Notepad++, the Notepad, but I'm gonna teach you about the Sublime. Sublime is another text editor, the code editor basically, but it's important for you too, especially if you just work on a code igniter, then you should use the Sublime. Because of some reasons. Other thing is, if you just like the black theme in a screen in coding, if I just go there, you can see that the white screen all around, but if you just want the black theme here, so you should work on the Sublime. So we'll use the Notepad++ throughout this course. Maybe sometimes we'll use the Sublime too, but for now I'm just gonna go to the new tab, or just duplicating this one, and there I'm just gonna download the Sublime. So google.com, and I'm going to the Google page, and there I'll search the Sublime because I just don't remember the Sublime here. Now Sublime text, the Sublime text editor, you will fall in love with. Their opinion, not my opinion, by the way. Yeah, exactly, it's cool. So let's just go there. And Sublime text, well, one thing more, that you have to buy the Sublime if you just want to work on it. It's around the $70 maybe, but this is not necessary to download to buy the Sublime. You can simply download and work on it. This is the Sublime. You can see that the difference between them, the text in a you can see the white mode and some things like that, but all the things are same. But other thing is, there is no any features like if I just open the Notepad++, now you can see that these features, like there isn't any feature like that. Okay, this is good thing too, because we just want to type, as I said that I'm not gonna use any of the feature which are listed there, so it's cool in this way, by the way. And the other best thing is, that there isn't any folder identification, that in which folder we are. We can note that down by going to the header. Second thing is, if I just want to open any other file, so I just have to go to the file and need to click on open, or I have to go to the folder manually by choosing the file and then click on the Notepad, edit Notepad++. But in the Sublime, I can directly open the complete folder here. You can see that all the files are there. We just need to click on a file. Without folder too, you can see that this is without folder, and with the folder too, you just need to click and select the file, and then the file will be in there. So what I'm just doing, I just guide you about that simply. Now download 2.2 64-bit. There is Sublime Text 3 too. I'm just downloading the two version. This is the Text 3 version, sorry, not the 2 version, but this is in beta mode. It means it's not completed yet. So I'm just clicking here. I just clicked on download. So by the way, one thing more, you can see that if I just go there now, the Sublime text may be downloaded and evaluated for free. However, license must be purchased for continued use. Okay, there is no enforced time limit for the evaluation, sorry about that. So by the way, it means they are just telling that you must purchase the license for continued use, but they're not enforcing that there is no time limit for the evaluation. You can use that, but they will just blink you multiple times. Yeah, the file is there. Yeah, let's just buy the Sublime. So by the way, this is a Sublime. So what I just need to do, I'm just gonna double click on this Sublime, and they are just gonna install again. I'm getting the same thing, the dialog box, and where to install, and just select next, just next, nothing more need to do, just simple select next, and there is install. Just click on finish. That's cool, huh? They are just gonna open that. No, sorry, they're not opening automatically, so I just have to go there and just type Sublime text 2. Let's just click on the Sublime, and they're about to come. Ta-da! Looking awesome. Now you can type anything here in a black mode. Yeah, exactly, this is looking fine too. In fact, this is looking cool. So I'm gonna go to the pads, and there are some files. I'm gonna open that in. Sorry, I mistakenly opened that and edit the Notepad++. So I'm just going to the open with and clicking the choose default program, and more options. Maybe it's not listed there yet, so I have to restart the computer. So by the way, other way is to go to the Sublime and just click on the file and click on open file, and just go to the desktop, and here is a file in the master project. Let's just open the file here. Now you can see that there are the colored coders too, but exactly in the same way, but looking awesome too. And the other thing is, no, I just don't want to save that. Now the other thing is, if I just click on the open folder, so let's just select the pads folder and click on OK. Now just close the previous file, and you can see that the whole file, all the files of the pads are there. Now you just don't need to go to the folder to select any other file, and if you just want to create a new file, just click on new file and you can create that and double click any file, then you can see the file here. So this is the Sublime Text 2, basically the Sublime editor, text editor, the code editor. I think you like that, and in the next class we will do some more things, so stay tuned and goodbye.